Hi viewers, welcome to Sustain's YouTube channel. Now we are going to know about importance and glories of Maha Shivaratri. Harahara Mahadev. தென்னாடுடைய சிவனே போற்றி, எந்நாட்டவர்க்கும் இறைவா போற்றி. Lord Shiva gives his devotees what they want and gives it on time. Navaratri is a 9-day celebration for the goddess Ambikai. There is only one night for Lord Shiva, that is Maha Shivaratri. We celebrate the Krishna Bhaksha Sadurtasi day that falls in the month of Masi as Maha Shivaratri. This year, Maha Shivaratri will be celebrated on February 26, 2025, Wednesday. Usually, the daytime belongs to Parameshwaran and the nighttime belongs to Umadevi. But since Shivaratri is celebrated at the request of Ambal, it is an auspicious night for Lord Shiva. Once upon a time, during the deluge of the world, all living beings gathered around Lord Shiva. Due to goddess Umadevi's meditated, Lord Shiva recreated the worlds and created living beings that day called as Shivaratri. In that day, in Shiva temples, devotees can help with the 4 columns Abhishekam rituals held on Shivaratri by donating puja things according to their convenience. In this time, we should worship Somaskandar in the first column. The second column, the one to worship is the Dakshinamurti, and then we should worship Lingotpavar in the third column. In the fourth column, we should worship Chandrasekhara. If we worship Lord Shiva on the day, all worries will be removed. We will achieve success in our affairs. If we think Om Namah Shivaya, no danger will befall us. This is such a greatness. Let us observe this Maha Shivaratri ritual and seek the blessings of the Lord Shiva. Om Namah Shivaya. Thank you.